Hey, what is up guys? So today we are going to look over another problem that is going to be remove k digits problem. So given a non-integer num represented as string, remove k digits from the number so that the new number is the smallest number. Okay, fine. Okay, so the k is 3, that means we need to remove at least 3 elements. So not actually, we need to remove 3 elements from the string so that the new number is the smallest number. Okay, so that is how we need to remove the 3 numbers, that the new number should be the smallest number. Okay, so okay, so in this case they actually remove 1 and 0 was also there, so we need to also remove zeros if it is in front of a number, right? If we have starting numbers as 0, then we need to remove that. Okay, sorry. Okay, sure, I understood the problem. So I want you to pause this video and try to code this program on your own. I will be coding this program in Java language. Okay, so let's code this program. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, take a int len, that is where I'm going to store the length of a string. And let's say if our len is actually going to equal to k, that means we need to just remove return 0, and we need to return in string format, that is why. And what is the meaning of this? Let's say for example 10, so there are 2 numbers in this and we need to remove 2 digits, like 2 characters actually. So that is why it became 0, because when we remove both the characters, there's nothing left, so that is why we are going to return 0. Now we need to create a stack of type characters, of type character, and we will just call it stack. It's a new stack. Okay, then we are going to create one counter, and we are actually going to run the loop until our counter is lesser than len. Okay, now so what we are going to do is, we are going to store in the stack all the numbers one by one, and we are going to remove from the stack whichever is the lesser number. Okay, so for doing that, what we will do is, while k is not equal to 0, while k is not equals to 0, and then stack is not empty. Okay, so stack is empty, and then stack dot peak is actually lesser than, actually greater than stack num dot char at counter. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. And let's say now what we need to do is just remove something from the stack, and k minus minus. Okay, then if we are not we need to push something to the stack at the initial stage. Okay, so we're just going to push char add counter. Okay, and counter plus plus. So that's how we are, through this we are going to get our final answer, that is going to be something like 1219, but it is going to be in reverse order, because in stack we are if you know, it is like something like last in first out, right? So yeah, so that's why we need to do that. So what we need to do now is, from here is, we need to actually also take care of our edge cases. Let's say for example, if let's say while we are removing all removing elements from a number, and if the, let's say, from a number, all the characters or numbers are actually one same numbers, so in that case this command will not work, because we are checking if it is greater, right? So that is why won't work. So in that case what we will do is, if we will check if our k is not, sorry, if our k is not equal to 0, then we need to remove from the stack. Okay, so k minus minus, and that's how we are going to get our handle that edge case. Okay, now we need a string builder. Okay, so string builder, and we'll just call it result equals to new string builder. Okay, now our stack is not empty. Until then we are going to go ahead and run this now. So while our stack is not empty, and we need char c is equals to stack dot pop, and we need to insert, or let's say append, because we need to also we need to add values that is already there in result. That is how we are going to build the string, right? So yeah, and remember I told you that it is in reverse order, so we need to actually do the reverse in here as well to make it proper. Okay, so is result.reverse. Now what we need to do is we need to handle the situations for like 0, right? To handle if there are zeros in the starting. So to handle that, what we are going to do is, while our result dot length is actually greater than 1, right? And sorry, and then our result dot caret 0 is actually equal to 0, then we need to remove. So it will be something like result dot delete caret 0. Okay, and once we have done that, we need to just return the string, and that's it, I think so. So return result to string, and yeah, that's it. I think so, that's it, and we are done. Sorry, I need to keep this brackets in here, and yeah, everything is fine. Let's run this. Okay, sorry, this is that at 31. Okay, sorry, this is going to be something like this caret. Okay, yep, C should be small, and yeah, I think so, that is fine. Let's submit it. Okay, that is what I told you is going to be that, but I wouldn't take care of that. So if result dot length is greater than 1, result dot char at 0 is equal to 0, then we need to remove this, right? So why this is not working? So actually I did a big mistake. It is actually something like this, because we are dealing with characters, not num. Okay, so that is why we need to put curly braces above that. So yeah, so inverted braces. Okay, so let's run this again. So let me go ahead and submit this again, and I think so this this time it should be fine. And yeah, so let's go to more details. It is going to be 77 or 28%. Okay, that is fine. So that is also a better solution for this program. So if you have any better solution for this program, please go ahead and mention down in the comment section, and you can go ahead and pause this video and note the solution. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please do like this video and subscribe to my channel.